student, we are learning exponents. We have to take some formulas of exponent. First one is a raised to m into a raised to n. A and a is the base and m and n is the power. A raised to m plus a raised to n. Second, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Here base is the same. In multiplication sign, when base is sum and power is different, so we have to do addition in power and in division sign. In division, when base is the same and power is different, so we have to take base and then in index subtraction of the power. Third formula is a raised to m raised to n is equal to base is a and index is m and n. Double index means double power. Therefore, a raised to m into n is equal to a raised to m n. We are not mention multiplication sign in index power. Fourth one, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Whenever in the index is 0, product is always 1. Fifth one is a raised to minus m. Power is negative. Therefore, a raised to m. 1 upon a raised to m. When we have to given here positive sign, minus sign change into positive sign. Therefore, 1 upon a raised to m. These are learning some basic formulas. Now we are learning some. These are the basic formulas of exponent. Now we are learning some examples of exponent. First one is a raised to 6 into a raised to 8. In multiplication, base is same, so we have to do addition in index. A raised to 6 plus 8. Therefore, a raised to 14. Second one, 6 raised to 2 into 6 raised to 3. 6 is base and 2 and 3 are the different index. Base is same in multiplication. Therefore, 6, 2 plus 3. We have to go with the formula. A raised to m into a raised to n. Therefore, a raised to m plus n. 2 is m and 3 is n. Therefore, 6 raised to 2 plus 3. Therefore, 6 raised to 5. Third one is a raised to 2, b raised to 3 into a raised to 5, b raised to 6. Therefore, a raised to 2 into a raised to 5. Base a into b raised to 3 to b raised to 6. Base is same. Go with formula. In addition sign into b 3 plus 6. A raised to 7 into b raised to 9. So, here is base is different. So, this is the answer. Fourth one is 6 raised to 9 divided by 6 raised to 3. There is formula a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Therefore, a raised to m minus n. In division sign, whenever base is same and index is different, so we have to do subtraction of the index. Therefore, 6 raised to 9 minus 3. 6 raised to 6. Fifth one, 7 raised to 9 divided by 7 raised to 2. Base is same. 7 raised to 9 minus 2. Go with formula. Therefore 7 raised to 7. 6 1 is 9 raised to 2 raised to 3. Here is the formula a raised to m raised to n. Therefore a raised to m into n, because here is the double power. Whenever I have given double power, we have to do multiplication of the index. Therefore 9 is the base, 2 and 3 is index. Therefore here multiply. Therefore 9 2 3 is 6. 6 raised to 2 power 12. Therefore 6 raised to 2 into 12. Go with formula. 6 raised to 24. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Therefore answer is 6 raised to 24. Next one, 18 x raised to 9 upon 6 x raised to 7. Now here is x base and here is x base. Base is same and power is different. Whenever power is different, we have to do subtraction of the number. Therefore 18 divided by 6, x raised to 9 minus 7. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. Therefore 3x 9 minus 7, 2. Answer is 3x raised to 2. One is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. 6 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Whenever power is 0, answer is always 1. X raised to 0 into y raised to 0 plus z raised to 0. Therefore 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 11. 37 raised to 0 plus 101 raised to 0. Power is 0, answer is 1. Again power is 0, answer is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. See, simplify. First one is m raised to 2, n raised to minus 3 raised to 4 is equal to, here is the different base, power is also different and double power. M raised to 2, 2 has double power, therefore into 4. N raised to minus 3 into 4. M raised to 2 into 4, n raised to minus 3 into 4. Therefore is equal to m raised to 8, n raised to minus 12. Minus 3 into 4, minus into plus is equal to minus, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. This is the answer. Second one is x raised to 2, y raised to minus 3 raised to 6. So x raised to 2 into 6. Again take y raised to minus 3 into 6. X raised to 2 into 6, 12 to y minus 6 3 is 18. Minus into plus minus 3 6 are 18. Third one is y raised to 2 4 into x raised to 3 3. Here is double power, y raised to 2 into 4 into x raised to 3 into 3, y raised to 8 into x raised to 9. Next we have to see find value. 1, 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. Therefore 2 has index 3. In multiplication form, 2 into 2 into 2 3 times into 3 into 3 into 3 3 times. Power is 3, here power is 3. Base is 2, base is 3. Therefore 2 has power 3, So 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. Here is also 3 into 3 into 3 3 times. It is the multiplication form. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 into 3 to the 9, 9 to the 27 is equal to 8 7 the 56, 5 carry, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 5 21. This is the answer. Next one, 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. Again it convert into multiplication form. 2 raised to 3 means 3 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 times 5 is 5 into 5. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 5 5s are 25 and 25 8s are 200. Third one is 5 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 5. 2 times 5, 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. 5 times 2. 5 5s are 25 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Now we have to do multiplication. 25, 32 into 25. 25 is the 25, 25 to the 50, 0, 5 is here. 25 is a 75, 75 and 5, 80. Therefore answer is 800. Express in exponential form. First one is 5 1 2. 5 1 2. 2 is in unit plates, so it is divisible by 2. 2 to the 4, 1 balance, there is 11, 2 5s are 10 and 1 balance again, 2 6s are 12. 6 is in unit place, 6 is divisible by 2, the whole number is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 balance, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 16, 32 is divisible by 2. 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Next we have to do pair of the number. Is equal to 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. We have to make the pairs. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 9. Pair of the numbers. 2 raised to 3 3 times to 2 raised to 3 3 times into 2 raised to 3. These are the exponential form. Is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 3 plus 3. Therefore 2 raised to 6 plus 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. It is the exponential form of the number 512. Second one is 7 to 9. 9 is the divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 1. Here is 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 is here. Is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 balance is here. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. Therefore, how many times are 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 to 9 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times? 6 times. Answer is 3 raised to 6. It is the exponential form of the number 729.